The MTU is Survival Flight's way of fulfilling our educational mission to the community. We bring high-fidelity simulation training to the medical first responders in the region.
This is an old decommissioned ambulance, mobile training unit that we've built. We took possession of it approximately about a year ago. It's been a year-long process in the making. This one is definitely a one-of-a-kind because it is built out of an ambulance. We've kept it pretty much the same. Very few differences. We have all the same equipment that the Advanced Life ambulance companies would carry. We carry all that equipment on board, and the biggest difference that we find is naturally we can't carry the medications with us due to liability reasons, but we also carry approximately about 4 to 5 extra sets of items, so we can literally run 4 to 5 groups of students through the same scenario at once. This is also set up so we can set up a scenario so they pull up on a scene. We can have them load the patient up on the stretcher, or our simulators up on a stretcher, hook them up to the monitor, bring them into the back of this, close the doors, and they can go down the road and work on these simulators, which gives them the feeling of just like working in the back of an ambulance, the bouncing around going down the road, the sounds, and what it feels like to be working on a patient while moving.
The really interesting thing about this is you learn a lot in class and everything, but you don't learn to identify a lot of what you learn. This gives you a chance to identify a lot of the things that you learn in class and be able to actually recreate it in different scenarios. So it's a really good learning tool.
The other modifications that we've made is one of our helicopter mechanics built a cabinet into the side of the mobile training unit. We mounted a large screen TV in that cabinet, and with that it serves a dual purpose for us. So while we're running scenarios 2 to 3 students on the inside, we can go ahead and set up chairs or have a group of students on the outside watching and listening to everything that's going on. Also, we can plug into that TV and we can do PowerPoint presentations off of that.
The MTU is a benefit to the community because we're able to give high-quality education to the medical first responders and EMTs in the region, thereby delivering the high quality of patient care that we've come to expect.